Oh my god, you guys, it's finally here. I love trying snacks from all over the world. Flying to another continent just to get some chocolate isn't always in the cards. That's why I love Europe Crate. You get a ton of different snacks to try from all over Europe, just like all of these snacks. The best part is that you don't even have to leave your house to try these. They get delivered straight to your door. Why are you still here? Go check out Europe Crate. I'm so excited because I just got my Europe Crate box in the mail. I figured, why not open it together? Europe Crate is actually a snack subscription, and I love my snacks, so let's see what they sent us. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I'm so excited. Paprika Jumpies, Walker's Max KFC, Kinder Cards, Monster Munch, roast beef. That's interesting. Giant straw, zebra dark and white Kit Kat, Rolos, Malteser button, and milk fingers. If you've never ordered from Europe Crate but you love snacks, I feel like you would absolutely love this. Go grab yours. You know where the link is. Calling all fragrance lovers. You need this fragrance subscription. I love trying new fragrances, but I hate paying for a full bottle when I don't even know if I'll like it. That's why I decided to try Scentbird. I love that I get to test out new designer fragrances every month without having to pay designer pricing. Plus, it's so easy to bring on the go. I get so excited to try out new fragrances every single month. If you're in the market for a new fragrance, definitely go check out Scentbird. Amazon must-haves available in Canada. I'm so obsessed with these knobs. They come in a pack of 10, but as you can see, I've already used 6 of them. I'll show you what they look like on a dresser at the end. I was honestly so impressed with the quality of these, and I can't believe I got 10 for less than $20. These felt so luxurious, and they had such a nice weight to them. I was so excited to use them on my next project. And here's what they look like on my finished dresser. I'll link them in my bio. Number 1 reason why you need a Bissell Spot Clean. Yes, I'm about to do exactly what you think.
Why you did that?
Don't let this flop, TikTok. I'm literally sacrificing my couch for this. Let's see if we can get that stain out. My boyfriend will literally kill me if he sees this. Yay, it worked!
4 of my everyday shower essentials.